Hey guys, welcome to Lollyland. Today I'm going to be showing you the Port Royal Hotel in Wildwood Crest, New Jersey. I'm going to give you a little room tour, show you what it looks like inside. So come on and check it out. Alright guys, here we are at our room at the Port Royal. This hotel is amazing. I'm going to give you more details, but first we need to shoot the room a little bit. Just show you guys, we just walked in. There's a bed right to the left as soon as you walk in. And then there's like a little sitting room with a TV and a little table. You can have some breakfast. There's like a mini kitchen. There's a microwave up here. And a little fridge, pretty good sized fridge. It's not like one of those mini fridges, it's actually bigger. Coffee machine, but this is an awesome room. I think this is an efficiency, if I'm not mistaken. I like the theming and the color. Like it's got a very nautical vibe. Let's check out our balcony. Look at that, we got a nice ocean view. This is Centennial Park, which is right next to the Port Royal. And there's the Armada in the distance. Alright, let's go check out the rest of this efficiency at the Port Royal. What's behind door number 2? Turn the light on. Oh, really spacious closet. Look at that. Safe. And then we have bathroom. Here's like a little vanity area. Huge mirror and a sink. Hey guys. And here's the room that I'll be staying in. Extra bedroom here. I like this room because it's actually like closed off. The other one's kind of open right when you walk in, so this will be my room that I'm staying in. And I got a little TV over here, a couple of nightstands, and then I also have a view kinda of the ocean over here. Yeah. There's my little ocean view, but this is awesome. Once again, some nautical pictures up on the wall. So all in all, guys, this is a really nice room. I'll just give you guys another walkthrough of what everything looks like. There's the front door that we came in at. There's the first bedroom. This hotel's really clean too, like from the moment you walk in the lobby downstairs to coming up here, the hallways are clean, like everything's clean. You don't really see trash anywhere. It smells really good in here. We got a little electric stove here too. Port Royal sticker. 72, I wonder if that's the year they opened. If anybody knows, leave me a comment. Alright, breakfast time at the Royal Grill. Look at this.
Haunted egg whites, boring egg whites.
What'd you get, Dad? Sunny side up?
Sunny side up with the wheat toast.
I got the hearty starter. Scrambled eggs, sausage, and pancakes. Look at that. Here's the after of my plate. Completely gone. Overall, the Port Royal is definitely one of my top places to stay in Wildwood Crest. It's the main thing I love about it is it's always clean. The staff's always really courteous and ready to help you with whatever you need. They have an awesome, huge game room, and it's just got that fresh, clean feel from the minute you walk in the door. The pool is really awesome, and really, I don't have anything bad to say about the Port Royal. So if you're ever down in Wildwood Crest looking for a place to stay, make sure you check out the Port Royal. And just wanted to say thank you guys again for watching Lollyland. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to ring that ding-a-linger. We sincerely appreciate every single view that you guys give us. Thank you for coming along on our journey. We have 2 channels, Lollyland Adventures and Lollyland, so make sure that you're subscribed to both for our upcoming adventures. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you on our next adventure. See what our hot dog looks like here from the pool bar. Look at that. Hot dog, chips, ketchup, and she gave me mustard too. Ketchup and mustard. Oh, there's even pickles here. So you can go over to the pool snack bar, which is right directly behind the pool, and they got like grilled cheese, hot dogs. Pretty cool. I don't know where the light is. Where's the light? Oh. Alright, we found the light to the bathroom there. Alright guys, so if you come to Wildwood and you're at the Boardwalk Mall, I'm going to show you where our sticker is. Right at the entrance of Boardwalk Mall. If you walk this way, there is a billboard thingy here. Advertisement for the Boardwalk Mall right at the entrance. On the side is our sticker. So if you come here and take a picture with our sticker to show that you were here.